In this video, I want to show you how to turn off read receipts on iPhone. To turn off the read receipt on iPhone, the first thing you want to do, I want you to go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's go to my settings. So once you get to your settings, I want you to swipe all the way down. So once you swipe all the way down, I want you to tap on apps. So once you tap on apps, I want you to scroll down and look for where we have messages. So we have messages here. So I want you to tap on that messages. So once you tap on that messages, it will take you to this page. So on this page, I want you to just scroll down a little bit. Once you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see send read receipt here. So you just want to tap on it to turn it off. So once you tap on it, it will turn off. When this is turned on, people are notified when you have read their messages. But once you turn this read receipt off, people will not be notified whenever you read their message. So you can always read message in hidden form. So whenever anybody sends you any message and you read them, they will never be notified that you have already read the message. So this is how you can actually turn off read receipt on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.